The word-bearers may live by treachery and lies, snarled Abaddon. But in the Sons of Horus, you are loyal, or you are dead.
And what do you know of my legion? Asked Erebus, rising to meet the first captain's ire, his mask of smirking calm slipping. I know secrets that would destroy your mind. How dare you speak to me of deceit? This reality, all you know, this is the lie.
Erebus!
Roared Horus, ending the confrontation instantly.
This is not the place to evangelize your legion. I have made my decision, and these are wasted words.